Honorable colleagues, last November, Azerbaijan, under the leadership of His Excellency President Ilham Aliyev, hosted one of the most successful COPs, the COP29. We succeeded in building a stronger bridge between the global south and global north for realization of common goals, ensuring that all voices, particularly those of the developing world, were heard. Important milestones of the COP29, which were officially branded by the United Nations at the Baku Climate Unity Pact, include, among others, adoption of the new collective quantified goal known as the Baku Finance Goal, full operationalization of Article 6 of the Paris Agreement on International Carbon Markets, adoption of a decision to fully operationalize the Loss and Damage Fund, establishing Baku Adaptation Roadmap, and Baku High-Level Dialogue on Adaptation. Our Parliament, together with the Interparliamentary Union, hosted their parliamentary meeting in the framework of the COP29, aimed at uniting parliamentary efforts for addressing climate change. Dear colleagues, through successful completion of the COP29, Azerbaijan once again demonstrated that solidarity in the face of common challenges, compromises, and collective actions are indispensable for achieving desired results.
Thank you very much.